Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, why does my skin look so tired and dull? Expensive creams and treatments promise miracles, but the secret to glowing skin isn't in a bottle. It's in your kitchen. In this video, I'll share 5 powerful home remedies that will naturally brighten, hydrate, and make your skin glow without chemicals. The best part? Remedy #3 works overnight. Stay tuned. In today's world, we're bombarded with expensive skincare products full of harsh chemicals. But nature has already given us everything we need for clear, radiant skin. From turmeric masks to hydrating honey treatments, I'll show you simple DIY remedies that will leave your skin looking fresh and youthful without breaking the bank. Let's dive in. Number 5. Aloe Vera Honey Hydration Mask. Aloe Vera is called the miracle plant for a reason. It hydrates, heals, and brightens the skin. Mix 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel with 1 teaspoon of honey and apply it to your face for 15 minutes. This deeply nourishes your skin, reduces redness, and gives you an instant glow. Try this too, 3 times a week for the best results. Number 4. Turmeric Yogurt Glow Mask. Turmeric isn't just for cooking, it's a skincare powerhouse. It fights acne, brightens skin, and reduces dark spots. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric with 1 tablespoon of yogurt and 1/2 teaspoon of honey. Apply for 10 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel brighter and more even-toned instantly. Number 3. Overnight Vitamin C Serum Secret Glow Booster. Did you know you can make your own vitamin C serum at home? Mix fresh orange juice with a few drops of rosé water and apply it to your face before bed. Vitamin C brightens, tightens, and repairs skin overnight. You'll wake up with a fresh, radiant glow. Number 2. Cucumber Green Tea Skin Soother. If your skin feels puffy and tired, this remedy is for you. Blend cucumber juice with cold green tea and apply it as a toner. This refreshes, reduces inflammation, and shrinks pores instantly. Number 1. Coconut Oil Night Treatment. Ultimate glow hack. Before bed, apply a tiny amount of organic coconut oil as a night treatment. It deeply moisturizes, fights wrinkles, and gives your skin a natural dewy glow overnight. Just don't use too much if you have oily skin. There you have it, 5 powerful home remedies that will transform your skin naturally. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more skincare secrets. See you in the next video.